Imagine returning your leased Tesla Model 3 after 4 years, expecting everything to be perfect and getting hit with a repair bill of nearly $15,000. That is exactly what happened to one unlucky owner in Germany, and it's a cautionary tale for every early Model 3 owner. Dennis, Tesla Model 3 performance owner from 2020, drove his car without any issues for 4 years. But during the inspection at the end of his lease, problems were found. Scratches on the rims, cracks at the jack points, and damage to the battery cover. In total, the repair estimate came to nearly $15,000. And this isn't an isolated incident. Several Tesla Model 3 vehicles manufactured before April 2021 have shown similar weaknesses at the lift points. If ignored, these cracks can let moisture and road salt reach the battery area, potentially leading to costly damage down the line. The issue stems from the way some early Model 3s were manufactured. Tesla actually updated their production process on April 26, 2021 to prevent this problem. Cars built after this date generally don't experience the same issues. But if you own a Model 3 from 2017 to early 2021, your car could be vulnerable, especially if lifted incorrectly at a service center. Experts recommend using the proper jack points and protective pads to avoid stressing the underbody. Documenting the condition of your car when it's new and during routine maintenance can save you from surprise bills later. In Dennis' case, he ended up paying the massive repair bill, but in similar cases, German authorities have sided with owners, especially when Tesla failed to properly disclose potential risks or explain how to safely lift the car. One Swedish Model 3 owner even challenged a repair request successfully. This shows the importance of knowing your rights as a Tesla owner and documenting everything carefully. If you own a Tesla Model 3 made before April 2021, there are a few key things to remember. Always use proper jack points when lifting your car. Use lift pads or protective equipment to reduce stress on the underbody. Document scratches or damages as soon as you get the car. Check for underbody cracks periodically, especially around battery areas. Following these steps can save you from a $15,000 surprise bill at the end of your lease, or even worse, long-term damage to your battery. So what do you think? Are Tesla owners being caught off guard by this hidden issue, or is it just part of a learning curve for early electric cars? If you own a pre-2021 Model 3, make sure to check your jack points and protect your car. Drop your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more tips, reviews, and cautionary stories about electric vehicles. Stay safe out there and protect your Tesla.